Colossal Titan, and this is Anna Yeager. And this
is our cooking show called Cooking with Titan. Yeah. Nasty. So today, today we're gonna be making fudge. Stop it. We're gonna be making, not fudge, brownies. Brownies are okay. Well,
we actually got both, and we're gonna mix it.
Colossal Titan. What's the difference between a brownie mix or chocolate fudge? Okay, hang on. I don't know if it's focused. Yes, very interesting thing we've got going here. Okay. All right. So, what is step one? Can you read? Go get the pan. Can you see? I mean.
I found it. Okay, ow. What is it?
I just put in. Let's just say 40 minutes. Whatever.
No, the temperature ball.
Oh. The Titan's ticklish.
No, okay, I have like oh, what's that? Miss Spoiler?
Everyone knows. Come on.
Okay.
So obvious.
Come help me.
Anyone who doesn't know that's a knucklehead.
Stir brownie mix, water, oil, and eggs in a medium bowl. Okay.
Where's the part where you kill Titans?
Oh, wait, we have to add those on. So 4 eggs.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, wait.
Oh,
is it the same directions?
No.
A quarter cup or 3. What are cucharadas de agua?
The Spanish.
Oh!
Dumb. See, this is what it is like.
I don't know Spanish.
I can't see anything. Okay.
Okay, let's just do a quarter cup. We'll just see.
No.
Why? A quarter cup and 3 tablespoons. Is that what we're doing?
Are you stupid?
Am I stupid? I don't know. One says a quarter cup of water, the other says 3 tablespoons. I'm the stupid one. Okay. Some Titan did not learn math in school.
I don't. I'm not
I understand. I can't understand what you're saying.
Oh my god, do you see this? This is so easy.
Dramatic cooking montage. With the dramatic panning.
Focusing on the back of my leg. Yes, I got that weird
dramatic. Okay, wait. Look towards me a little bit. Dramatic panning.
Oh, that's in my eye.
Oh, someone in the eyeball. Now we are documenting the evolution of a Titan, learning how to read and open a package. Ouch! Okay, what? Can I do it? Can I do some of the cooking?
I told you to come home and you're like, no!
Yeah, that's
okay. Don't you make faces.
Stay away, Titans. Filth.
I will destroy you.
Getting my Lord of the Rings wording out.
What? Game my Lord?
Lord of the Rings. Oh my god.
Okay, 2/3 cup of oil and a half cup of course.
Yeah, so we're making food because why are we making
We're having a Titan convention.
No, we're not. No, I think we're making them for. Wait, hang on. Okay.
Levi's birthday.
Yes, Levi's birthday. We're making him fudge and brownies. Okay, can I do some of the cooking here?
Okay, get the 2/3 cup of oil, dingbat.
Okay, there's no 2/3 cup. There's a 1/3 cup.
You put 2 of them.
You still get the 2/3 cup. Okay. Wait. So wait.
No, now you add 2/3 cup to that, yes?
Because you did it double?
Yeah. Okay, look, this one says 1/2 cup. This one says 2/3 cup. I did the 1/2 cup, now you do 2/3.
Oh, okay. I I was asking if you had doubled it yet. What?
No, you're fine.
Still for a win. He has horrible taste.
Stop.
Obviously, judging by his non-pluckedness with eyebrows.
Okay, so we need 4 eggs.
There's a difference between having eyebrows on fleek and eyebrows on bushy.
Dumb.
See, look at my spectacular brows. Oh my god, it was just assaulted.
Ah, you're fine. I can't open this.
Do you want me to? Here, let me do the egg cracking.
Yeah, we've got to do this egg cracking. These are really cool. Look at that face. See me. Ew.
So, sorry. Yes. Oh my god! I'm trying to. Yes, I'm sure Levi always wanted to get a good bite of camera lens in his cake.
Ew, I would not waste my camera lens on him.
Okay, you know what? Why am I even cooking with you? Should be trying to kill you.
Cause. Okay, no matter, restarted it. Ew, that was disgusting.
Hey, do not judge an egg by its gooiness.
And you are so stupid. You don't stop. I mean, it is stop. Ew!
Touch.
Don't you touch my screen. Ew, was that like a
Is
dough?
that 3 eggs? Yes, okay, good. Those 3 eggshells.
Oh god.
I'm sure we'll be good with an extra egg. Who knows? Are you filming?
Oh gosh, why is this closed?
Hi, Levi. There's nothing going on for your birthday party today. Over here, you should go. You should go clean something. Levi?
No, you can, and Levi's not gonna do it.
Levi! What do you want?
Okay, ready and cut!
Wait, okay, so we already put, oh, we put everything. Time to mix. Okay. Are you mixing? Or filming? Are you? Oh my god, no!
Only a little bit.
Okay, so time to mix. Lock it.
Did you mix the water?
What? I thought you put the water in already.
Dodo, I did not.
Oh, okay. Okay, a
I
quarter
wanted
cup.
to leave some of the cooking for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, okay. Okay, follow me, my lovely camera. Titan.
It's wine, damn it.
Oh my god, Levi. Oh. Okay, so here we get a careful quarter cup of water.
Carry it gently. Watch out!
And then 3 tablespoons.
Skill.
Okay, there's like 20 people. Okay, careful. There's a Levi with a glass of wine behind you.
Oh, I just.
Okay, where's the tablespoon? Who organized this? Definitely not Levi. What? What? Where's the table? Okay, I'll just pretend that it's a tablespoon.
How is that ever? Okay.
Is 3 tablespoons more or less than a quarter cup? I'll just put 2 quarter cups. I'll just follow those.
No.
Why?
Pour that out right now. Rebel Thug Life. I need to put these eggs away, okay, Beth? Okay, I'm gonna turn this now. Oh, I totally destroyed those.
Check out those muscles. You had one job and you failed. Two jobs and you failed. So while we're waiting, do you want to gossip a little bit?
Oh yeah, let's gossip.
Okay, you know, I can't hear anything because of that. Wait, how long are we supposed to mix it for? Or you could just do it super speed, whatever. What are you doing?
Okay, wait, but we need a spatula to make sure none of the little dry stuff gets stuck on.
Okay, wait, what?
Can't make a spoon or something.
There's a spatula right next to you, you lazy bum. Bum Titan. Titan bum. Oh god, no, I did not need to see that. I'm sorry,
Lick it.
people. Lick it? Ew!
I can't lick it off! Ew.
If I get salmonella. That's your. I'm wearing your sweater, so just wipe my spit and chocolate on your sweater.
Okay.
Would you like a drink?
Carbonated drink.
Yeah, carbonated water, acid bubble thingies. Wow,
Acid bubbles. Yeah.
I definitely sound like a biochemistry major. Oh yeah. No, I'm sorry. I meant the little carbonated water bubble thing. You know, whatever. You know what I mean.
Isn't that cool from the camera? This is Dodo.
Not the act. I'm very
Can you
cool.
put the butter or something to oil?
Wait, do what? Get the butter. Why? Oh, for the pan. Titan, I need your assistance.
No, Dodo. Ow! I got things in my eye.
The struggle.
So, Eden is apparently blind.
I just want to see you digging in the fridge.
Oh, sure. Nice to see you.
So now what are we doing? What is happening? Ew, are you picking your eye boogers? Nasty! Colossal eye boogers.
Ow!
No, please. No mercy! Wait, what?
Ew, you spilled.
Me! You spilled water on the floor, not me.
You did!
Violent. Much. Little spit. Clean it off.
I'm not, where'd it go?
I need another pan. Can we make brownie cupcakes?
Yes.
Spray stuff, even if it probably gives you cancer. The butter spray thing. Ah. I hate the sweater. It's like uncomfortable in all the wrong places. Magically wipe it around. What's happening? What are you doing?
I thought that was my answer.
What are you doing? Okay. Does it say to butter the pan?
No.
Wait. No?
No.
Then why am I buttering it?
What?
Nothing.
Oh, yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, Titan. I mean, wait, what's your name? What should I address you by? Titan.
You can call me.
Look at the evil in his eyes. Cruel. Wait, unfocused eyes. It's hideous. Not like my beautiful green eyes. What's that patch of hair in the back of your head?
I'm growing it out.
Oh.
You just made me
like a mullet.
Spread it everywhere. You know how much of a perfectionist I am.
So you're growing a mullet.
Yeah. A
Business in the front, a party in the back. Little furry ratty.
Hey, you know what? It's coming out of a ponytail that's deeper later than my skin.
A ponytail that's deeply. What does that even mean?
I have no idea. Don't you do anything with these are good because they're all edges.
Brownies that are all edges are a godsend. Yeah. Yep, I've been filming you this entire time.
Don't lie.
I feel like a purple, like, Russia aura coming off of you. I'm sorry, Sherry. You're making Italian references. Okay.
God, no, I
Pasta! Time to be a weeaboo. What have you observed from your great height? Anything you want to tell me? Any secret?
He eats hay
What? Jean eats hay?
and apples.
Is he a horse? Oh. That's why he has such a long, hideously can-like shaped head. Yeah. He drives me crazy.
Oh, wow!
What? Oh yeah, I'm the pig. Look at that. What are you doing?
Okay, first of all, mine is way harder than yours was because yours is just one simple fat form. Mine's like lots of little evil forms.
Okay, we need to change your
The laugh
perspective.
makes it way worse.
Bum bum bum. I just changed to my Titan mode.
Oh,
Hello, Pipsqueak. I crush you.
I can't like this. Wait.
Boom.
You're so dumb.
Okay, it's making me tired to be in Titan mode. Ah.
Yeah, spill it out that much.
My feelings got hurt. I'm taking a selfie. Do you want to take selfies?
But first, let me take a selfie.
I can't use this word.
Wow, way to be an obvious.
Heaven.
Take it out.
Heaven.
Done.
Yeah, why are they all nasty?
That's what I was wondering.
I thought you were gonna say something nice. Oh, they look good actually. They're perfectly spongy.
Sure.
Okay.
It's like a little light thing.
No!
That was Titan's true form.
No, we all know what Titan's true form is, and it's not that.
It is. I'll show you my hipster. Okay, let me get dressed.
This is what happens when you tell the Titan what a hipster and a lumbersexual person is. I like your beard.
Thank you. I started this morning.
Rolling like a rolling stone.
Oh my god, you have no food at all.
Okay, anyway, I was gonna say. So, really, I don't want to make a cake for Levi because Liza. But
Oh my god.
Kenji told me that if I didn't make a cake for him, that she would
Could have been perfect if you didn't put that weird little hand.
perform some evil scientific experiments on me. So I told her I'd make a cake. So I chose a brown one to match his personality.
Rude!
Oh god, that's how I said that.
You'll be cleaning.
Oh my god, I'll be cleaning for like, oh man, just stay in this kitchen. Before he comes in. Yeah, well, yeah, I really want to taste some.
Nay, get your hand away.
Nay, get your hand.
Nay, tut. Tut.
Very much for watching. I love you very much. Lots of love from Trust or wherever we are right now.
Are you gay?
I'm not gay. Shut up.